Hey everybody, it is at home with the Sevys. Sorry for my voice, dealing with seasonal allergies. And today's video is going to be a lot of deep cleaning, especially in the living room. I am deep cleaning the couches today. I am also moving the couch that you just saw me clean on another wall. I'm sweeping, mopping, doing the full thing. I'm also cleaning a vent part because it was really bad and organizing that stand you see on the left side there. And I hope you guys like this video. Please remember to subscribe. It helps my channel out a lot. It is free to subscribe and like, comment, and share. Comment, what is your cleaning schedule look like? Maybe for like the week. I am planning on doing a Monday through Sunday, what I do on a regular basis for you guys in a video of my cleaning routine. Just to show you guys what I do. Now sometimes it doesn't get done every time, especially if things are happening at the moment. Right now, our daughter is having a little bit of a stomach bug and stuff. She has a fever. And so we're taking care of that and trying to get the house back in order after us being sick as well. And I am Morgan, by the way, and I am a mom of two. I have a 5-year-old, a 3-year-old. I am also 27, and I am also married to my high school sweetheart, and I live in Ohio. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and it gives you lots of motivation. And leave me comments down below and I will answer them. Leave me questions and I would love to do them in a next cleaning video that I do. I upload about once a week, just for right now because it's been awfully busy in our home. But I hope you guys like this video and thank you guys for watching.
girl and she nice too. Yeah, the love comes with a price too. But I'm good, I know that we should try things out, so let's get to it, huh? I knew it when I first met you. They all told me not to never ever test you. I know they right, I know they ain't wrong, and now I'm sitting here making this song baby, about you. Want ya. Yeah, baby, I need ya. No mama, you the thing, I'm all up in my feelings. I need you right beside me, yeah. Come on, it's perfect timing, yeah. Come on and take it by me, yeah. Baby, I want you. There's nothing else I want. I'm all up in my feelings, and I don't get too much time. Without feeling when I'm alone, I saw that we'll be happy no matter what they say.